Heya, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be showing you how to achieve this look perfect for your New Year's Eve party. For this tutorial, I already wore a foundation. Pero guys, hindi pa ako nag-set ng face ko with powder and I'm also wearing my brows na. Without any more further ado, let's proceed to the look. First up, I'm gonna be using Colorette Cosmetics Contourtint in the shade Jordyn, and I'm just applying it on the sides of my face. I'm applying the contour tints higher than usual para yung effect ay lifted yung face ko. By the way guys, the brush that I'm using is from Colorstay, so this is their blush brush. Part ito ng set nila. More or less 200 pesos yung price guys for the set. And I'm also applying the contour tint on my forehead to optically minimize the look of it. Next, I'm gonna be using EB Advance's Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Tipsy. So I'm just applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Yun yung reason bakit hindi muna ako nang set ng face ko kasi I used two kinds of tints for my face. Now, I'm grabbing my EB Advanced BB stick in the shade Oriental. And I'm just applying it on my eyes, guys. So this will serve as my eye makeup base. And I'm just blending it with my ring finger. You can also use your brush, whatever you feel like. And of course, yung favorite palette ng mga tao ngayon ay yung Careline Play to Slay palette. Favorite na favorite to ng mga tao ngayon kasi nandyan na lahat. Eyeshadow, blush, highlighter, and napaka-affordable pa niya. Anyway, I'm using a corally shade for my crease. And I'm also flicking the brush outwards, guys, para mas catty yung itsura ng eyes ko. Next, I'm grabbing the lightest shimmer shadow from this palette with my index finger. And I am gonna apply it all over my lid. And back to the corally eyeshadow that I used to warm up the crease. I'm applying it again on my crease just to soften out the edges of the shimmer shadow. Now, I'm picking up this warm brown shade and I'm applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm packing it gently on my lids, guys. Kasi medyo powdery yung eyeshadow ng palette na to. And since I'm using a deeper shade, I'm being extra careful. Kasi as much as possible, I'm preventing the eyeshadow to fall out. So whenever using the Careline Play to Slay palette, especially yung eyeshadows, make sure to be gentle with it so that you can prevent fallouts. And with a flat brush naman guys, and the same warm brown shade, I'm gonna be smoking my lower lash line. And then for my eyeliner, I'm using Mina's 24-hour eyeliner pen. So yung Mina guys, available siya sa Robinsons Manila if I'm not mistaken, and SM Makati. And I'm doing a dramatic eyeliner for this look because I want my eyes to pop on New Year's Eve. And again with the contour tint, I'm using it to contour my nose just to make my nose look slimmer. By the way guys, I'm using a flat brush, but it's a more dense kind of flat brush. So this is my favorite brush when I contour my nose. Kasi yung density ng flat brush na to, it's perfect to give this soft blurred effect when contouring the nose. And I also like to use it as my concealer brush kasi it's a perfect brush to achieve a soft blurred look sa face ninyo. And for my lips, I'm using again EB Advance's Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Tipsy. And to curl my lashes, I'm using a Boktoh lash curler. And for my mascara, I'm using Mina's waterproof mascara. And to top it all off, of course, yung highlighter from the Careline Play to Slay palette. And that's it for this New Year's Eve party look. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, then please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have makeup or beauty questions, then don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbyBooya. Just remember, no hate, just love, and